Good evening, everyone. So, welcome back to the new lab session of Microsoft Excel. So in this lab, we'll see how to display a student name or employee name or name list in a proper case. Proper case is what? To display the first name or last name or middle name whose first letter must be in capital. Okay. Like here, the first name is Pankaj Kapoor. So it should be written as, let's say, Pankaj and capital Kapoo. So this is known as proper case. Okay. So if you are provided on a list of names here and you have to display in that proper case, so Excel has provided a function known as proper. Okay. So let's see. So how do you write it? So simply write proper and select the name, close the bracket and hit enter to see. So the first letter of each word, maybe the first or last, starts with the capital letter. Now just drag it down and probably you get in a proper case. Make it bold so that would be uh, looks better. So so this is the formula to display name in a proper case. So this is one way. Now if you want to display the name in uppercase, so here I'm writing name in, or just let me write name in upper or capital letters. So you can simply write here upper and select the name, close the bracket and hit enter. Now you see, now if I drag it down, you see each name will be displayed in capital letter. You see, you can make it bold and size is bit better, bigger. You see. So this is the way to display name in uppercase, and this is the way to display name in proper case. So try to practice it. And if you have any doubt, let me know in the comment section. So thank you very much.